Hi. Julie chose 5 traditional scoops for her, and we will draw this one in a second. But because she doesn't mark her main vibe, but she choose as a backup a randomly drawn vibe, I think that it will be only fair if we will draw like a main vibe for her and try to fit with this one. So we have some balls in here, and we will choose any. So we will hope to find items like a multicolor vibe. So I was thinking about that anyway, so yeah. Okay, so we know how it looks like the vibe. So now we will draw 5 scoops for her. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Okay, let's get started. So we have one set of highlighters. We will give her that one. We have 2 correction tapes. We will give her green one and the pink one. Then we have 2 fancy pens. We will give her one with a plush heart and one with capybara. Then we have 1 eraser. Then we have 2 fancy scissors. First one and second. Then we have 1 nail clipper. We will give her that one. One pencil case, which we will give her that one. Then we have 2 hair combs. We will give her that one and that one. Then we have 2 makeup bags. We will give her that one with butterflies and that one, green one. Then we have 2 paper clip sets.
So we will give her that one set. And one more. Okay, then we have 1 claw clip. We will give her that one. And then we have 2 scalp massagers. So we will give her green one and the pink one. Then we have 2 foot masks. We have both the same.
Then we have 1 set of mascara wands. We will give her this one. Then we have a face mask. We will give her this one. Then a nail file. We will give her this one and 1 extra. Then facial wet wipes. 1 full pack. Exfoliating gloves, 1 pair. We will give her that one. Then we have 1 bracelet. We will give her that one. Then we have 2 sets of travel towels. So we will give her that one set with strawberry smell and that one. Then we have makeup clips set. We will give her that ones. Then we have 2 tweezers. We'll give her black one and the blue one with heart. Then we have 1 perfume atomizer. Pink one. Then we have 1 sharpener. I chose the capybara one. 1 eye mask. That one. I have 2 sets of hair ties. However, I have only 1 left. So I will give this one set. And I will choose any random another one. Bead, which will be the cuticle oil. So I will give that one instead of 1 hair tie set. Okay, then we have 2 steam ass masks. I will give her that one and that one. Next is travel soaps. I will give her that one. Travel brush. I will give her that one. A mirror as well. Then a hand towel. This one. What we have next? There is a cable herring. Of course, I am giving more than one. Then phone holder. I give her that one. Then lip balm. And 1 extra. Then 1 brooch. I will choose any. Okay, next we have keyring. This one. Then 2 bath bombs. Rosemary and jasmine. Then washi tape. And 1 extra. Then hand cream. Then 1 pair of cozy socks. I chose this one, light purple. Then mini notebook. That one. Then lipstick holder. That one with butterflies. Sticky notes. That one. And last but not least, storage suitcase. And we will give that one. Yeah, and that's everything. So thank you very much, Julie, for your order. I hope that you will love everything. Bye!